Hello everybody, this is Dr. Kevin McCandless with a video demonstration of the testing procedures using our remote proctoring software. It begins with a environment scan, and so for this scan you're going to show everything around you. So your right, your left, up, down, what's in front of you, what's behind you, what are we writing on, and so forth. So for that you'll pick up the device typically and then show what's going on. All right, to make sure that there's nothing that's unapproved around anywhere. When you're done with that part, then you can return to your seat there. And next, you'll show your calculator. So the type of calculator can be confirmed. This is a pretend calculator, but you would hold it up there. Any writing utensils, you can show those. And then your paper, you're going to hold these up one at a time so that we can confirm they are blank. And you'll do that from this seated position, right? So that way we can see that you went through your stack of paper there. Then if you have a writing surface, right, you can show that as well. Make sure there's nothing under there. And that would conclude your environment scan, and you'll be able to preview that scan so you can play it back. And if you don't like the way it looks or you think you may have missed something, you can do that again, and it doesn't cut into your exam time at all. This is all happening before the exam. Okay, so once you get into the exam and you've confirmed your environment scan, some things to remember are just ensure that you stay in this position where your workspace, your paper, right, the full paper, the bottom to the top, your hands, eyes, face, everything like that remains visible throughout the assessment. Okay, so that means the entire time, both hands above the table, everything visible. All right, so that would include coming up here, I would click Begin Quiz, I would see the question, and then I would write the question onto my paper, and then I would solve the question. All right, when I'm ready to type in my answer, I just come in here, type the answer briefly, scroll to the next problem, and then continue. Now, I have some suggestions in case there's a limited space available. So 2 suggestions if you don't have this distance available. One is to kind of scoot yourself to the edge of whatever workspace you have. Bring this in and maybe get more of an angle out of it there. All right, so there's a way that you can satisfy the positioning with the paper, the hands, face, eyes, and all that with less space, is to use an angle. And then the second suggestion I have is to scoot yourself back. Okay, so if you don't have room to move the laptop back, hopefully you have room to move yourself back, and then kind of adjust yourself so that you're still satisfying the requirements of the hands, the eyes, the face, everything still visible. All right, hopefully that helps you get started. Good luck.